Smallest country in the world, the Vatican City, which is surrounded by Rome and Italy, encircled by only 2 miles border. No one born in the Vatican City because there is no hospital in this country. But the interesting fact is it has its own army. Only 135 troops are there for the safety of this Vatican City, which are called Swiss Guards. No prime minister, no president. There is only one leader, which is called as Pope, and these Swiss Guards have to protect the Pope. And the most interesting fact about the Pope is that it has no salary because it has everything which he needs. No other people can live in this city except Swiss Guards and Pope and those who are working in this Vatican City. And the most interesting fact of this country, it has no jail. Vatican City was attacked 2 times in the past during the World War II. You can visit the Vatican City if you has a visa of Italy. The people of the Vatican City drinks more wine than any other country. A large number of visitors visits Vatican City every year, which is the source of income for this country. This was all about the smallest country in the world, the Vatican City. If you like my video, please subscribe. Use game to